Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix this error so you can see it can't install Instagram app on your phone. So why you see this error and how you can also fix it. So mostly it happened because you just haven't enough free space. So you just need to go to the settings. In the settings just choose general. In the general you need to open iPhone storage and just see if you have enough space for installing it. So here you can see it, how much space you have free, and also you can see here what apps takes a lot of your memory, and what apps you can also remove from your iPhone. And also you need to know that actually this can be because you have problems with your internet connection. So just um, check your internet connection. So if you use Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again, and if you use cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So this is a way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.